What are three of the most powerful things that the best agents, team leaders, and brokers in North America are implementing in their business in 2023 to dominate their market when everyone else is suffering in the downturn? Hey, my name is Stasek of Honey Badger Nation. I have the privilege of working with the top brokers, top agents, the highest producing teams in the nation. And today in this video, we're going to talk about the three things that you can implement in your business that aren't going to cost you a dime, that will help you dominate your market even in a downturn. Make sure that you follow us by hitting that subscribe button below. That way you'll be first to know about the best tips and strategies of the top agents in the world when it comes to selling real estate. All right, let's get started. So people reach out to me all the time and say, Al, my market's shifting. How could I continue to grow my business and dominate my market even when the market's shifting from a seller's market to a buyer's market? So in this video, we're going to go over 3 pro tips that the top agents and brokers in North America are using every single day that's tried and true to grow their business when everyone else is going down. Okay, now let's look at each of them. Mindset, marketing, and agility. We're going to go through each one of those. Let's start with our first one, mindset. When we've coached agents, we look for the mindset of a hungry, humble, and smart agent. Someone who's hungry, meaning they have an intrinsic motivation. They don't need outside motivation and people to motivate them to want to get up early every day and stay up late. They have to have that vision, but they have to have the intrinsic motivation to create it themselves. They need to be hungry and ready to get after it every single day. They got to be humble. And so when we talk about humility, we're talking about the ability for someone to say, you know what? I might be wrong about the way I'm thinking about this. Said differently, they're coachable. They're open to criticism. They're open to growing as an individual. And in order to do that, sometimes we have to check our ego at the door and be open to a different way, maybe a better way of getting to the goal. And you got to be smart. So look, you don't have to be the sharpest knife in the box. I know I'm not. But you got to be smart enough and sharp enough to stay on task, stay focused on the goal, and not let distractions grab you and pull you away from the focus of getting the job done and getting from point A to point B with no distractions. Next, marketing. It's not the best real estate agent who wins. It's the best marketer. So it's imperative that you become a student of marketing. Becoming a marketer simply means that you're just looking for problems in your marketplace to solve. When you shift your mindset from just trying to be a good real estate salesperson to a marketer first, you're going to have a mindset shift of problem solving. Become a marketer and never worry about getting stuck on the real estate roller coaster where your income's high one month and low the next month ever again. And lastly, be agile. So what does that mean with your business model? Well, I can tell you a quick story. Back in 2008, the real estate market in the United States literally crashed. Everything that I was doing before was not working then. So I had to kind of shift things up. I had to have some flexibility or agility in my business model. So what did I do? I found out ways of helping investors, people who are looking to take advantage and grab some of these discounted properties and build their wealth. And we shifted and we were able to weather that storm and come out on top even in a down market. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give us the thumbs up, maybe make a comment in there and share it with anyone that you think could benefit from it. This way you get notifications of all the best content that I put out about expert information in real estate. I'll see you at the top or from the top.